Hello and welcome to one of our product unboxing videos. We're just going to do a quick unbox on these Cooper's DIY beer bottles. You get 24 500 millilitres, half a litre, PET, I think that's a type of plastic, beer bottles and caps, and they are designed for home brewing. So if you think about buying these...
came from Amazon, these ones. Sold them 48 bottles.
Oh, 48, okay.
I think they were 20-something quid or something.
Yeah.
They weren't a fortune.
You can reuse them as well.
Oh, you can use them, yeah. So this is as is.
So if you're thinking about buying these and you're just wondering what they look like and things, and what the quality is, then hopefully this video helps you. The Cooper's Brewery Limited, obviously that's where they're South Australia.
Right, so what we've got here, we've got a brown bottle.
So they look like glass from a distance, but
and
they're not, obviously.
24 in the box. They come with lids, plastic lids. I feel that would be easier.
Can you just keep it down a bit so we can get it in shot?
So there's a bag of lids there. Yeah.
It looks like they've got some sort of plastic inside for sealing on the top of the bottle when it's screwed in.
So it's probably a basic thing, but immediately as I went to put that on, it sort of sat well on it.
Yeah.
There's no messing about with it. That's a tight fit, and it's easy to undo. Again, a little thing, if you've got arthritis, you're a little bit older, yeah, it's got some nice grips there to undo it with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so once you've sealed it on and undo it, it's like got some sort of locking strip.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you know if it's been opened or not.
So they're probably not reusable for home use, but if you were sort of
selling these,
you obviously you couldn't, because obviously it's got this piece that once it's
so you know if
taken
it's
off,
tamper-proof basically.
Tamper-proof,
but it's all right. They're all right for what we need them for. Home brew. Yeah, I'd say good value. Can be used time and time again. I presume they are dishwasher safe. You would think so, but we'll find out. Obviously, before we use them, we'll sterilise them, and the lids. These sort of brown, dark plastic helps the beer.
There's not really much more you can say about them, and obviously they're a basic product, but as I say, if you are thinking about buying these, then hopefully this video just gives you sort of what you can expect to get quality wise. And yeah, so
I'm guessing if you're a bit picky, you put some labels on them. We bought them because we're brewing some beer. If you look at our other videos, again, we just stress again that this is 2020 March, and we've got lots of things going on in the country, and there's no pubs or bars open, so I guess a lot of people will be having a little go like we are. It's something to trade with as well if you need to.
Right, thanks very much for watching.